Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you our ocean view room at Riu Reggae. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is room 1122, which was a great location, by the way. Now, their buildings only go up to a third floor. So second floor was not bad at all. Once you walk in, you do need a key card in this slot right here to keep the power on. So honestly, we just left our towel key card in there. On the left hand side, you do have the bathroom. This was very spacious, very clean upon check-in, so no complaints here. I do like that they don't have the bar soap, but they have the liquid hand soap to wash your hands. The water pressure was really good as well. So they did not provide face towels or lotion. You know, some resorts do, some don't. Now, I did hear if you requested it through the front desk, they would bring them to you. Not a huge deal for us because we just packed our own. The shower was very spacious. They do provide conditioner, hair, and body wash. Did have plenty of closet space. Now our room was freezing cold. I don't know what was going on with the thermostat, but couldn't necessarily adjust it too much. So that extra blanket definitely came in handy. Here you do have the mini bar area. So all of this is included. You do not have to pay extra to use any of this, and it is fully stocked upon check-in. So that's there at your leisure. Down below, you do have the mini fridge. All of this is included as well. So you have your sodas, your water, your Red Stripe beer. During our stay, they did have the Neon Riu party, and that is located next door at Riu Montego Bay. So if you would like to see what this resort looks like and Riu Montego Bay next door, I will have those linked down below. All right, now earlier I did say we booked an ocean view room. I will say, to me, this is an oceanfront room. Okay, comment down below your thoughts. We've booked Ocean View, we've booked Oceanfront. This is oceanfront. We didn't say anything. We happily took it. I don't know if there was a switch up or a mistake, but this is the room that we received. It was absolutely beautiful. The location was amazing. 10 out of 10 views. Definitely recommend. So that is all that I have for you guys. Overall, no complaints about the room at all, aside from it being just a little chilly. But aside from that, we had an amazing time. If you would like to see the rest of the resort next door, those will be linked down below. Make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you guys next time.